Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Batman Beyond. We're going to get started in the center of our page with the upper eyelid. So we're going to move over to the left side and draw an angled line. From the outside we're going to come down, start on the outside here, come down with a straight angled line towards the inside. Now we leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So let's line up the inside, angle up, and then out. On the inside I just want to curl this up. So from the left side, I'm going to curve in and then up. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. So it's a half circle. So from the outside, I want to step in, curve down, and then in towards the inside corner of the brow. Let's do the same thing on the right. Curve down, and then back up. Now we move to the center and draw on the nose. Starting right in the middle, we're going to start with a straight line coming down towards the tip of the nose. Now from the bottom, angle up and out towards the left, and then up and out towards the right. Now from the top, I want to draw a straight angle line connecting these 2 points. Now we're going to move down and draw on the mouth. So we start on the left side, curve down, and back up on the right. Now from the ends, I want to draw 2 straight angled lines coming down towards the corner of the mouth. Now let's connect these 2 points with that same curve from left to right, coming down and then up. Let's add in the teeth. Starting on the side of this line, I'm going to curve down and in with a short line, go to the right and do the same thing. Now we're going to cross these lines like a T. So on the left, we'll come straight down towards the bottom of the mouth and we'll fill the corners in black. Now we're going to move out and draw on the bottom of the head. From the brow on the left, we're going to step out, come down, curve in underneath the mouth in the middle, and then we're going to bring that back up on the right side, going straight up beside the right brow. Now from the corners of the mouth, we're going to step out and draw a bracket. On the left side, we'll curve around and then in. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now going back to the side of the head, we're going to go straight up and then curve this in towards the tip of the ear. So start on the left side. We're going to go straight up, and we're going to start to bend that in towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going straight up, and we'll start to bend that in towards the same height. Now before we draw on the inside of the ear, I want to draw on the top of the head. So we're going to come down to right about here. Starting on the left, we're going to curve up the middle, and then back down on the right side. Let's go back to the top of the ear. We're going to curve down and then in on top of the head. Alright, so now that we completed the head, let's work our way down the body. We're going to start with the sides of the body first. So over on the left side, just underneath the head, we're going to curve out and then down towards the hip. And then we'll go over to the right and do the same thing. In between the hips, we're going to step in towards the center and draw in a circle for the belt buckle. And then we're going to draw a smaller circle on the inside. Now we're going to connect the hips with a curve coming down in behind the belt buckle. So curve down and then in. We'll continue up on the right side. Now we're going to step up and draw on the top of the belt, curving down in behind the buckle. Back up on the right. Now on either side of the belt, we're going to draw 2 straight lines, side by side. Let's add the bat symbol in the center of the body. So right in the middle, we draw a curve coming down and then up. And then from the top, so we're going to come straight down the side with a short line. And then from the left, we're going to curve out and then up. And then we'll go straight out with an angled line, aiming up towards the side of the body. Now let's go back to the left side. I'm going to curve in and then down. Now I'm going to take these 2 points, curve in and then down towards the center point. Curve in, I'm going to bring this all the way down, just up above the belt buckle. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms stretched out towards the side. So on the side of the head, on the left side, we're going to curve out and up towards the wrist. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now back over to the left side, we're going to draw on the fist. We're going to start with the thumb first. Starting from the wrist, we're going to curve around, out towards the tip of the thumb. And I'm just going to hook that back in. Let's draw on the palm. Curve out and then down. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Start by curving up, out, rounding out the thumb, and then pulling that back in. And then we'll come down and then in for the palm. Let's add 3 fingers stacked in behind the thumb. So on top of the thumb here, we're going to start with a half oval. Go to the side of this finger, we're going to do another half oval covering around. I'm going to pull this up underneath the thumb. Let's add 1 more finger. Curving out, rounding out the finger, and then going back up. Now on the bottom of this finger, curve down and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start on top of the thumb, draw on the half oval. Now on the side of this finger, we're going to go up again, down, and then in underneath the thumb, and we'll add 1 more finger. Now at the bottom of this finger, I'm going to curve down and then in. Let's draw the bottom part of the arm. Starting underneath the palm, we're going to step out, we're going to curve down, and then pull that in about halfway down the side of the body. Do the same thing on the right. Curve down, and then in. Now we're going to add 2 curved spikes on the back of the arm. Starting from the wrist, curve down and in. Now we're going to taper that back up underneath the arm. Let's do 1 more. Curve down and in, and then we'll taper that back up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to add the edge of the glove. Starting from the top of this spike underneath the arm, we're going to curve in and then back out towards the top of the arm. We're going to be posing this character in a running position, so the leg on the right is going to be bent forward. So from the hip, we're going to step down just underneath the belt, curve up, over the hip, and then out. Now I'm going to round out the knee and then come straight down. Round this out, and then come down. Now we're going to overlap the top of the foot. Stepping in, curve over the leg, and then down on the outside. Now right here I want to show the bottom of the foot, so we're going to draw an angled oval. Starting here, curve in, down towards the heel. I'm going to round this out and then go back out towards the tip of the foot. Now back on the heel, on the side of the curve, we're going to curve in and then up. We're going to aim towards the knee, so stopping right about there. Now the leg on the left is going to be bent facing back. So from the inside of the knee, we're going to step down. We're going to draw a curve. We're going to go across and then down. Now let's go back up to the hip. We're going to curve around the knee, underneath the line, and then back in. So start up here, curve out, round out the knee. I'm just going to pull that in and then up. Now we're going to layer the top of the foot in behind the leg. So stepping out, curve down toward the tip of the foot, and we'll pull that up underneath the body. I'm just going to add the edge of the boot cuff. Starting from the inside of the knee, we're going to step in, curve in, and then back out towards the bottom of the foot. Now on the right side, we're going to start down, curve up, and then down towards the outside of the leg. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the wings on the side. Starting underneath the palm on the left, we're going to curve out and over towards the left. Now we're going to do the same thing on the right, curving up and out towards the right. Now from here we're going to curve in and then down. Curve in, and then we'll just pull that down towards the same height. Now we're going to pull this in and then down in behind the legs. So curve in, and we'll hook that down. The same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Batman Beyond. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.